Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Larry here again for Fitness and Food. And today I want to talk to you about something that's very important. It's also what plagues a lot of people, is finding the time to exercise and also eating correctly. It's hard if you have a very busy schedule, if you work, you have to commute for working, or if you have a family. Sometimes finding the opportune time to exercise and prepare healthy foods becomes difficult. In 25 years of doing fitness, personal training, and everything, that was the number one, I guess, excuse that I'm told by clients. Oh, I didn't have time. I just couldn't fit it in. I was running around, like a lunatic, and any variation thereof. But it's very important for us to understand that exercise and eating right, or moving around, going for walks or anything like that, is important, and it needs to be scheduled in. Now, I know you have a busy schedule, I know you have a family to take care of, but exercise has to be on that to-do list. You make a list of, okay, you gotta do laundry, you gotta do the dishes, you gotta go to the bank, gotta, pick up, something for the kids at a store, whatever. On that list, you have to write down, okay, I need to do 30 squats. I need to do 20 push-ups. I need to do some sit-ups, or, hold a plank for a minute, or anything like that. Get on the treadmill, get on the bike, different things. We have to schedule it in. When you make your schedule, you have to commit to it, because that's the only way you're going to succeed and just having a better quality of life. I'm not even just talking about weight loss and dieting for whatever particular reason. I'm just talking about overall general health. You're going to feel better, and your lifestyle is going to be better when you schedule this time in. The old saying goes that when you fail to plan, you could plan to fail. So you have to have it written into your daily schedule, your weekly schedule, that, okay, I need to exercise. Now, it doesn't have to be every day. It also doesn't need to be 60 minutes long. If you're going to work out at home because you don't actually have time to drive to the gym, this smaller, more high-intensity workouts will come in handy. Some squat thrusts or burpees, in the living room as you're getting dinner ready. Any second of the day can be utilized for some sort of workout. Excuse me. Now, don't forget, you have 7 days out of the week, so utilize the weekends. I know none of it, we don't like to do things on the weekends because, we just busted our butts throughout the week, we're tired, and the weekends are our time to kind of just relax and chill out. However, exercise needs to get done, and if you can't fit it in the 5 days during the work week, then you have to utilize the weekend. You have to use it, and you have to, pretty much make the best time available. What else have we got? I mean, once you start, holding them as a high priority, you're going to find out, oh, I actually do have the time. Once you start taking it seriously, then you're going to actually succeed at it. Everybody has time to watch Netflix and, look at TikTok or YouTube videos. You could be exercising during this time. So, you know what? Yeah, that's what I'm going to go tell you to do. Stop this video. Go exercise. You have the time. Have a great day, guys. That's pretty much it. Make it a priority. Write it on your to-do list. Make it happen. That's it. You guys have a great day, and I will see you again.